Welcome back to day 5 of Jean's 25 days of baking. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to make some mini chocolate peanut butter cupcakes. These are the ingredients that you'll need for today's video. So first we're going to start off by placing the REESE's. It's just normal box cake that we had already prepared, and I'm just going to pour that into the pan. And make sure that your mix goes down the sides as well and isn't just staying on the top. You can also just put a little batter on the bottom of your pan before you place the REESE's in. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Once those are out, we just frosted those. You can make your own buttercream or you can just buy some from the store. And then we added a little bit of sprinkles on top, just to add a little extra touch. And that basically concludes our video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.